In the case of the alleged rape of the 7-year-old girl at Bergview College in Matatiele, South African law outlines several serious crimes that may have been broken. Let's break down the potential violations. Under South African law, rape is defined as any form of sexual penetration without consent. In this case, the child was allegedly assaulted, and this would constitute rape, as she is a minor and cannot legally give consent. Even if the victim were to have participated, a minor's consent is not valid under the law, making the act a crime. In addition to rape, if the alleged offender engaged in any form of sexual contact that did not involve penetration, it could be considered sexual assault. Any touching of the victim's private areas without consent falls under this category. If the school staff or administration were aware of the incident and failed to report it, they could be guilty of neglecting their duty to protect a child. The Children's Act stipulates that any suspicion of abuse should be reported immediately to authorities. If the incident involved any form of physical, emotional, or psychological harm, those responsible for the child's care and safety, in this case, the school, could be found guilty of child abuse under the Children's Act. This law places the responsibility on schools and caregivers to prevent harm to children and ensure their well-being. Schools have an obligation to provide a safe environment for children. If it is proven that the school failed to create a secure setting or neglected to address safety concerns adequately, the school and its staff could face legal consequences. This law holds educators accountable for ensuring that students are protected from harm. Given the serious nature of the crime, the school's alleged failure to act, and the ongoing investigation into the perpetrators, several laws have potentially been violated. The law in South Africa takes a strong stance on child protection and sexual offences, with the full weight of the legal system expected to be brought to bear on anyone responsible for the harm caused to this innocent child. This case serves as a tragic reminder of the importance of vigilance, accountability, and the need for a zero-tolerance approach to child abuse in all its forms.